Hi Eva, here we are again. Today we've got a black widow getting ready to make dinner out of a locust, or at least putting it in its pantry. I don't know if we can zoom in any closer, but you can see there she is. She's hooking her web up to the flower pot there, and she's coming right back down. I don't know if you can see her web in the light. You see that big old red spot on her back, on her belly there. And then that's the locust who's still alive. And she connects her web to him. And I believe she's probably going to come back this way. She's a pretty big black widow. I don't know. She's stinging her at the same time she's hooking her web to it. That little locust ain't going no place. I should say big locust. That locust is like 8 times her size. She's handling him like he's just a little peon. Yeah, look at that. I think she's seen me. I don't trust those black widows. Eva, you don't mess with those things. They come chasing after you, you better start running. Yeah, she's hooking him, winding him all up like a little present. Yeah, looking him right in the eye. Oh. Yeah, there she goes, trying to make that thing stronger. Right up underneath there. She's still there. There's that locust trying to get free. He's like, this is my chance to break.
She left.
She's right up underneath the lip there. I don't know if we can see her up underneath there or not. I think she boogied. I think she decided he was too big for her to pull up. So,
she's making room in her pantry for it.
That, Ivar, is what you call one lucky locust.
I don't know.
He gets to live another day, maybe.
He may not be out of the woods yet.
Yeah.
She may come back. She may have just injected him with something.
We'll come back later and check him out.